To keep a specific app open when you close all recent apps in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra with Android 14, tap the recent button to see all recently open apps. Find the app you like to keep open when you close all recent apps by swiping the screen to the left or right. Single tap the app icon. As the example, we will do it to Spotify app. And then select keep open. You will see that the lock icon will be displayed at the bottom right of the app thumbnail. To see how it works while you are in the recent app screen, tap close all button. Now tap the recent button to go back to the recent app screen. You can see that your phone will close all apps in the recent app screen except the Spotify app that you have set to be kept open. As a note, the app will be kept open until you set your phone to stop keeping this app open. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.